In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and support.squarespace.com. We're going to move smoothly from Squarespace's starting point to the exact help article you need when your site's secure connection isn't behaving. By the end, you'll know precisely where to click and what to look for so you can quickly get to the right troubleshooting guidance. Begin on the Create Your Website page on Squarespace. This is the official starting hub for building a site, and it's a reliable place to access all of Squarespace's learning and support resources. Open it in your browser of choice. Any modern browser will work well, and using the official Squarespace link ensures the navigation items are current. On that page, look for the Resources option in the main navigation and click it. Resources is where Squarespace groups all of its learning materials, including guides, webinars, and support links. Depending on your screen size, you might see it as a menu item along the top or within a condensed menu, but the label you want is Resources. Opening this area helps you jump straight to trusted documentation, rather than hunting around or relying on third-party articles. From within Resources, click Help Center. This takes you to support.squarespace.com, which is Squarespace's knowledge base. It's a searchable library written and maintained by their team, with articles that stay up to date as features evolve. If you're ever unsure about a configuration or a term, this is the best first place to check. Once you land in the Help Center, use the search bar and type SSL. Searching for SSL brings up everything related to Secure Sockets Layer and HTTPS on Squarespace. SSL is the technology that encrypts data between your visitor's browser and your site. When it's working, you'll see the padlock and HTTPS in the address bar, which helps protect your visitors, improves trust, and can positively influence search visibility. The search is not case-sensitive, so typing SSL in lowercase is perfect. In the results, click Troubleshooting SSL. That article is the central reference when your site doesn't show the padlock, is stuck on certificate pending, or appears over HTTP instead of HTTPS. Inside, you'll find clear explanations of common causes and the checks Squarespace recommends, like understanding certificate states, how domain connections and DNS influence issuance, and why recent changes can require propagation time. It also clarifies differences between root domains and subdomains and links to domain-specific instructions when needed, so you can follow along confidently. That's it. By starting at Squarespace, opening Resources, heading to the Help Center, searching for SSL, and selecting Troubleshooting SSL, you'll land on the exact guide designed to resolve secure connection issues quickly and accurately.